In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your Watia. This build works for the ultimate Gravel and Cherohala. When opening the box, you will notice that your bike has been neatly packed for shipping. First, start off by removing your wheel and saddle from the box. You can then lift your front fork over the box and use this as a bike stand. Then begin removing any excess packing from the bike. You will receive a small parts bag that will include some rubber grommets that can later be used to upgrade to Di2, and you will have a Di2 tool. When installing your seat post, make sure you use the Di2 tool to connect the wire to the battery. You will hear an audible click when it is fully attached. Then slide your post down to your desired height and torque down to the recommended torque spec. Next, use an Allen key to remove the front through axle and pull out the brake caliper spacer. Notice the wheel hub protectors and make sure to not pull out the hub end caps. If they do come out, just pop them back in before installing your wheel. Next, slide in your front wheel and aligning your disc with the brake caliper. Then slide the front through axle back in and tighten it down using an Allen key. Then pull your bike out of the box and remove the extra packing that may still be on the bike. Before we get to riding, make sure to check all bolts and to not exceed any torque settings. Once you're done, you can get out and ride.